Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, students. My name is Luis Avila Gavidia. I am a law student. From Monday to Friday in the morning, he gets up early. I brush my teeth, head dress, and have breakfast. Then I take my classes and study. In the afternoon, I have lunch and continue with my classes. After that, I do my homework and study for my law courses. In the living, I finish my homework and watch TV for wait. Finally, I get ready to bed and go to bed. This is my daily routine for Monday to Friday. Thank you.